I'm not going to waste your time. Here's how I glowed up in 6 months. Let's begin. Step 0, mindset. I did what I said in this video for 6 months, and my friends and family did not recognize me when they saw me in public. I disappeared in July 2020 for 6 months, didn't post on social media till this day, cut out all my toxic people and focused on myself with the mindset of it's not too late to make a change and expecting that it's not going to be easy. If it is easy, everyone will do it. That's why I want you to pay close attention to this video because it will help you tremendously. Here's me after 6 months of doing the right things, and I know you can do it too. Step 1, skincare routine. You need to take care of your skin and have that glow up look. The first thing people look at when they're talking to me is my face. So I took care of it. People judge others by literally 1 second after seeing them, and they subconsciously do not want to be around them. I know it is sad and we should not be like this, but this is human nature. We cannot control it. We need to focus on what we can control. Here's what I did. Every morning, I kept it simple. Just washed my face with a cleanser, moisturized my face, and then added sunscreen. That's it. In the evening, you will do the same as you did in the morning, but don't add sunscreen this time. Instead, add retinol. Retinol helps in reducing fine lines and wrinkles, improving skin texture, unclogging pores, reducing acne, and fade. This is like the magical ingredient for having clear skin. I'm going to list what I used in the first comment. Step 2, good hygiene. Start showering regularly. Use deodorant on your armpit and bowls. Use a cologne that you like, not someone else's recommendation, and try to always smell good. Even if you're going out for 5 minutes, and remove the belief that no one is going to look at me. They're minding their own business. People are so polite and respectful. If someone smells like expletive egg, they will not tell them. So keep good hygiene. It will boost your confidence. Step 3, hair. How can I know what haircut suits me? I determine my face shape and then go to Google and search which haircut suits your face shape. You also need to have a hair routine you can do every day. Here's my simple hair routine. I keep my hair well groomed by getting haircuts every week. Washing my hair only once a week. Conditioning my hair every day with conditioner. I use hair products to keep my hair looking healthy and styled. I'm going to list all my hair products in the description. Step 4, facial hair. If you can grow a beard, then let it grow. It will boost your appearance and make you more masculine and more attractive. Of course, you need to trim it every week to keep it looking fresh. And if you're like me and you can't grow a beard, you can try to shave it every day. Don't use a razor. It will cause acne. Use a clipper instead. It is more gentle on your skin and you will not get acne problems. Step 5, teeth. Having yellow teeth and bad breath is a red flag for people. That's why you need to brush your teeth and floss them twice a day. Try to also buy a tongue scraper to clean the white dirt in the back of your tongue. If your lips get dry, try to have a fluoride-free toothpaste. It is much healthier for you. Step 6, lips. Having crusty lips is very annoying and unattractive. That's why I have a game changer solution. You know, I mix honey with sugar and scrub it on my lips. With it, they will look smooth, and then I dry and add some moisturizer. You can use the one you use for your skin or Vaseline. Step 7, clean eyebrows. Seeing if you have hair in this part here, or you have a straight eyebrow line, I need you to pause this video, pick a razor, shave it, and come back. It will take you 1 minute to boost your attractiveness. Step 8, work out. I focused on building muscle in these 6 months. When I first started lifting, I was confused and didn't know what to do. I just showed up and did the exercises that I enjoyed doing. But with this approach, it made me less gains. That's why I recommend you hire a personal trainer. He will guide you if you're a beginner and help you get in shape and give you advice on your diet. This is running in your head right now. Get your expletive off the couch. You're waiting for someone to save you. So I'm going to tell you something that you need to hear. No one is going to save you. This is the harsh truth, but we need to accept it and move forward. That's why you need to save yourself. When I was depressed, anxious, hoping not to wake up in the next morning, no one saved me. I just made a decision, stuck to my plan, and here I am. And I want this for you. Step 9, clothing. Updating your wardrobe can make a huge difference in your appearance and confidence. Try to use styles that you like, old money style, baggy style, etc. I recommend you use the right color that goes with everything like black, white, navy blue, brown. But don't use colors like pink, red, orange, or green. Let's move on to the mental aspect of a glow up. This is the most important part. So pay attention. First, I'm going to tell you my story. If you want to skip, here are the minutes on the screen, but I recommend you listen because there might be something that can help you. In my glow up journey, I was like, you watching videos to teach me how to glow up, and I wasn't making progress at first. So I was watching a YouTuber and he said to watch this course on mental health, the science of well-being, and how it helped him to have good mental health. I was like, okay, I'm going to give it a try. And then I noticed that my habits were changing. The headaches that I was having all my life simply disappeared, and my happiness skyrocketed after just 2 weeks. So here's what I have learned to have good mental health. Daily meditation. When I started meditating, I followed a guided meditation. Afterward, I felt calmer and more aware of my situation, my thoughts, what's going on, etc. But I was frustrated when I got negative thoughts. I thought I was doing it wrong. And then I found this image on Reddit and it helped me a lot. I'm going to explain it. You can close your eyes right now and follow your breath as it enters through your nose. And after following it, you will get distracted and get a negative thought, maybe about what episode I'm in on Stranger Things or that cutie in the class today. Most people quit here and say meditation doesn't work, but after getting distracted, you need to regain back the focus. And like Hamza said, it is like a bicep curl for the brain. Gratitude journaling. I use gratitude journaling to write about what I'm grateful for every day. For example, I am grateful that you are watching my video to this point. Journaling is the best way to clear your mind or make a decision about something. And just to clarify, journaling is not for girls, and it's not gay to write about your feelings. You can't find someone to open about your problems. Just think about one thing that you are great right now, and you will feel more happier. Sleeping. You can ignore what I said for the whole video and start getting a good night's sleep. Sleep is the most important time of the day. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep each night by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. This can help you reduce dark circles and improve your overall mood and energy levels. Lack of sleep will make you less happy and give you a nasty headache all day. Also, your glow up is made while you're sleeping. Keep that in mind. A workout. Not only will exercise make you more attractive, but it will make you more happy. How good is that? Reading books. Replace the bad habit of using your phone by reading books that you enjoy. Not only will books reduce your stress, but it's the best way to change your mindset. I recommend reading the Almanac of Naval Ravikant. This book will teach you how to make money and be happy at the same time. I use a Kindle to read all my books. Having a muscular body is important, but something that's equally, if not more important, is to have a flawless skin. And for that, I personally use the Bold Glow skincare products. My favorite is their 96% snail mucin repairing essence. It effortlessly made my facial skin firmer and smoother and faded away those wrinkle lines in just 20 days of using it. So check it out. I'm leaving the link in the description. If you love this video, you'll love the next one even more. Till then, subscribe because I asked nicely.